Welcome to another episode of Reclaim Matt. Today we're going to restore what is known as a pad saw. Very similar to a keyhole saw, but referred to as a pad saw because of the type of handle it has. When I initially examined the saw, I didn't realize that the blade does not fit in this way. It actually gets reversed and fits in the same way that you mount it when you're cutting something. This blade is quite dull, so what we might do is try to fashion another blade that will fit in with it. I've painted the outline of the profile that I want to have for the new blade, so we're going to start shaping it. Now that the blade is done, I'm going to focus on the handle. Wiping it with alcohol only did so much, so at this point I had to start scratching off the paint. Although I had been trying to avoid using sandpaper because I wanted to preserve as much of the original patina that I could, in the end, there was no way getting around it. Unfortunately, the buffing wheel didn't clean up the brass like I wanted, so I had to switch over to some fine sandpaper. finish the handle, I turned to a furniture wax that's been in my family for about 40 years. Comes from the province of Quebec in Canada, and it does a great job. I had forgotten to take care of the screws, so we're going to give them a quick cleaning right now. With all the pieces ready, it's finally time to put it back together. And a quick test with the new blade. And that's it. New tool to add to the collection. Thanks for watching.